Every entrepreneur faces it. The self-doubt, the sleepless nights, the moments where giving up seems like the only option. But what separates those who succeed from those who quit? It's not talent, not resources, it's mindset. Let's get into it. I'm Steve, and today we're talking about something that every entrepreneur struggles with. How to keep going when everything in you says stop. And trust me, I've been there. In fact, let me share a story about the time I almost quit. A while back, I was stuck. I had poured my time and money into building my online business. But after months of effort, nothing seemed to work. No traction, no sales, just frustration. One day, I sat at my desk and I thought, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But then I realized something. It wasn't my strategies that were failing me. It was my mindset. And the moment I shifted my perspective, everything began to change. Here are the 3 things I learned. First, I learned that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every successful entrepreneur has failed. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Jeff Bezos. They've all faced moments of doubt. But what they did differently was embrace failure as feedback, not defeat. When I stopped viewing challenges as barriers and began seeing them as opportunities, my entire approach shifted. And this brings me to the first lesson. Don't fear failure. Use it. Second, staying motivated. It's about willpower. It's about habits. I started doing 3 things every single day that completely changed the game for me. First, a morning gratitude. I started my day by reflecting on what I'm grateful for and reminding myself of the positive impact I'm creating. It felt a bit unfamiliar at first, but this practice kept me focused and will keep you focused and motivated. Second, visualizing your success. I wrote down my goals and kept them in a place where I could see them daily. This constant reminder kept me focused on why I started this journey in the first place. And third, learning something new. Whether it was a podcast, a book, or a course, I committed to learning one new thing daily. Knowledge fuels confidence. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Your habits define your success. Now, the third part of all this was really crazy because there were days when I couldn't see progress and I doubted myself again. But instead of giving up, I leaned into the community. I reached out to mentors, joined Facebook groups, and found people who understood my struggles. Entrepreneurship doesn't have to be lonely. Surround yourself with people who believe in you when you forget to believe in yourself. The fourth and final part, what is the biggest lesson I have learned from all of this? Perfection is the enemy of progress. For months, I delayed launching projects because they weren't perfect. And you know what? That delay cost me time, energy, and momentum. Whatever you're waiting for, stop. Start messy, start scared, just start. Because action creates clarity, and clarity leads to success. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Building a business is hard, but every obstacle you face is shaping you into the person you're meant to be. The difference between you and the person who quits is this: you're still trying. If no one else has told you this before, I believe in you, and you're closer to success than you think. Don't let fear stop you. You've got this. Now let me be clear. Correcting your mindset helps with your creativity. I know. I witnessed this. And one more thing is life will still come at you. You will have setbacks. But what will happen next is you will get yourself back into that sweet spot, that place of peace and creativity. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest mindset challenge you're facing right now? And what more can I share with you on this thing we call mindset? What part of it can I expand on for you in another video? drop a response. Now, I promote a program that helps with confidence, which many people lack. So to learn more, go to the link found in the description or bio and click the link shown on the screen here. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little motivation today. Until next time, keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.